Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. My name is Gerel Matta. Today we're going to be doing this look right here. I created this eye look using the Perception palette by Shayla in Colourpop. These are the shades. This is my third look that I have created using this palette, and I focus more in these two colors and obviously the warmth on these shades right here. So you're going to see everything in the tutorial, but before we start, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel if you have not already. And yeah, without further ado, let's get on to the video. So I'm taking Culture, this shade right here, and this brush right here, this is the Morphe N504, and I'm just going to place that all over my crease. I was doing that already and I didn't realize I wasn't recording. So here we go. So I am placing that on my crease and just blending it up. So all I did was just prime my eyes and set them into place, and this is the first shade that I'm actually working with. And you're going to build this color up to the intensity that you like. Back to Culture and doing the same thing in the other eye. I'm going to go into this shade right here, which is Thick, and I'm just going to grab that in the very tip of the brush, and I'm just going to run that by the edges of the first shade that we place. So you really want to work on these two shades right here and really create a nice base for the deeper colors that we're going to be using. So it's super important for you to actually create this first, just so the other deeper colors have something to blend to. Now grabbing Revenge, and this is, I'm going to grab Revenge on a Sigma E25, and I'm just going to put that directly on the crease. And then I'm putting the brush, like the pointy side, really inside, and then I am flipping the brush towards its side and then blending it. So going in like this first to place the color, and then switching it to the side and just blending it. Okay, now putting Played Out on the same spot, so grabbing the E25 and doing the same thing. And this one, instead of blending it up, you're going to blend it down. Going back to the blending brush, I'm going to grab some of the Revenge shade, and I'm just going to blend the edges. Grabbing this flat brush, I'm going to go into Stallion, which is this one right here. It has like a black base with blue glitter. We're going to place that all over our lid. Now going back to the E25, no extra product, we're just going to blend the edges. So grabbing a little bit of Played Out, I'm just helping it blend a little bit. Okay, so grabbing a little bit of my concealer, I'm going to grab it on a brush, and I'm just going to place it right in the middle. So because the concealer is tacky, I'm going to grab the blue shade right here, which is the shade 14, with the same brush. Alright, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to add some Fix Plus just so to see if we can actually intensify the color a little bit more. Okay, so I have the shade right here on this brush, and I'm just going to spray some Fix Plus. Okay, now so using the E36, which is a very tiny brush, I'm going to start blending the Stallion shade and the edges, just so we can blend those two together. So grabbing a little bit of Revenge and Played Out, I'm going to use this brush, which is the E45, and I'm just going to run it by the edges. So I'm adding a little Unbother right in the center, but then I'm going back to 14 and just mixing those together, just so I can give it a little something. Alright, so I'm going to clean up the fallout, do my base, and I'll be right back. Okay, so now using the L'Oreal Voluminous Smoldering Eyeliner, I'm actually going to tie line, also add it to my waterline. And just adding a little bit on my lower lashes. So grabbing a small brush like this, I'm going to go into 14 again, which is the really light blue shade. I'm going to place that all the way from the outer corner all the way to the inner corner. I'm going to take Revenge, and I'm just going to start blending that into the blue. And also Culture. Okay, now grabbing the E36 and whatever was left on the brush, I'm just going to use this little brush to blend the darker shade. So right now what you can do is just add mascara and falsies if you wear falsies. So because I do have extensions, I'm not going to add anything. I'm just going to put mascara on my lower lashes. So now I'm just using Unbother to highlight. And a little bit on the brow bone. Okay, so for contour, I'm using my Hoola by Benefit. For highlighter, I'm going to be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills AMREXY highlighter. And for blush, I'm going to be using this shade right here. And for lips, I'm using the MAC Pencil and Spice. And I'm just smudging the pencil with my finger. So on top of that, I'm just going to be using Fly, and this is by Bare Minerals. Okay, and this is the final look. So yes, that's it for the look. I hope that you like it, and I hope that it helps you on getting creative and seeing just different ideas of how to create different looks using the Perception palette. So yeah, that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel if you have not already, and I will see you next time. Bye.